Hey guys, Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year to you all. I am wishing you guys well in advance. But yes guys, it's the Christmas season and this has to be the favorite time of the year for me. And I guess it's your favorite time of the year as well. So without further ado and without a lot of talk, I am going to dive into the video. So you guys know by the thumbnail and the title that it is a Shein haul video. So yes guys, let's get started. So guys, here is the big box. I have opened it. Like you can see, it's not a proper unboxing, but yes, I just opened to check because there were a lot of pieces in it and I wanted to cross check. So yes guys, let's dive into it. So you guys, the pieces which I'm going to show you all today are all newbies. So newbies in sense, these are all new collection to Shein. These are not like the sale pieces or the old statement pieces. These are something new and amazing and exciting pieces. So let's get into it. So the first one I have is this one. Again, the packaging is amazing as always. No complaints with Shein packaging till date. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so this is a quad set. Yes guys, so when for me it is Shein, it has to be a quad set. Like you can see, this is the top. It is the open shoulder top. They have given a buster kind of a neck look here and it is full sleeves. Perfect for the winters, perfect for the season. You see the material is nice and thick, but you can actually wear this again for your summers and springs as well. This looks so cute and you can style this top with so many different things. Again, my size is 1XL. And these are the flare pants. You can see when I say flare, you can see the bottom how flare it goes. It looks so cute. And these are the pants. So material is nice and soft. Like you can see, it is nice and stretchy. Yes, overall a good one. Like you can see, the videos have been put up in the side, so you guys can see how it actually looks. So yeah. Okay, so next I have something very exciting with me, are these earrings. You can see how amazing they are, how lovely they are. When I actually saw this and picked it up, I was a little curious, like hope it will be all good and all. You see, look at this, the material, the quality of the stones, everything is so nice. They are all nicely intact and I really love it. It is going to look so amazing for your New Year parties, for your Christmas parties, for any of the other occasions, for proms and things. This is something you need to pick from Shein. So guys, next we have another outfit. Let's pull it out. Okay, so here it is. This is something like this. It's a nice dress. It's a mid-length dress. It's completely on you how you want to wear. If you want to pull it down and wear it, it's like the mid-length. If you want to pull it a little up and wear, then it is your above knee length, a short dress. So yes, again the material is nice. It is nice and stretchy. Like you can see the stretch in this. Very stretchy. So even if you go a size low or if you don't know which size to pick, again you can completely go for it. It won't give any harm. And you guys, a coupon code is mentioned on my screen. So yes guys, use this coupon code so that you get additional 15% off on your shopping. So yes guys, so let's check out another. So guys, next comes another pair of earrings. Like look at these. These are so beautiful. Like you can wear these for like so many occasions. You can style these for so many of your parties. Just look at these. The quality of the stones is so amazing and these are so nice and they are light. They are not heavy as well. They are so light and amazing. I just love the quality. Just look how nice and bling they are. Isn't it? They look so pretty. Okay you guys, so this is another outfit. So let's pull it out. This outfit. That was a lame joke. Okay guys, so this is a gown. Like you can see, it's a gown, a full gown. It has a slight tail at the back. Like if you can see in the video beside this, like you get to know how it is exactly. and it is so beautiful. These tassels go on your sleeves, and they have this super deep back, and I love it. It's padded, so there's no need for you to wear a bra, but this is a little loose on the back. Like you can see, the shoulders tend to come off. I need to get it altered, but I love this piece. It is so perfect for your parties. There are so many parties being lined up nowadays because of the Christmas season, the New Year season, the weddings and things. You can actually go for this one. It is so good. The material is nice. Like you can see, they have a nice inner as well, a full length inner. So there's nothing sheer going to be, like there's nothing going to be transparent or anything. This is a very nice. Okay, you guys. So here we have another outfit. Let us open it fast because there are many more to show. So guys, don't forget to use the coupon code mentioned for additional discounts. Yes guys, see, these are the sleeves. Like they have this amazing bell sleeves, like the sheer sleeves. They look so fabulous. And this is the dress. It's a full length dress, if you can see. It's a full length dress. It looks very elegant. They have this little detailing on both the sides and under your bust. So it looks so amazing. It's a party wear dress. It's a full length dress. It's nice and flare. I love the way it is. It's so nice and flare. I love flare dresses. So yes, the material is very nice. This is not a stretch material, guys. So if you are thinking like you can go a size down, no, go for the exact size. It's true to the size, like whatever size they have mentioned. And yes, let's get into them. Okay, so I have another pair of earrings with me. So let me just pull them out. These are so amazing. I love the pattern. Like you can see, even you love the pattern. So this is a piece and this is another piece. Looks so trendy, so cute. You can see the details. They have some line details going on around, and all this looks so amazing. I absolutely love it. Yes, let's get into another. So guys, here is another outfit. Let me just pull it out quick. Okay, so this is a very pretty one. This is a latest pattern from Shein. You can see it comes with a nice V-neck, and this is the velvet sleeves. This has a lovely print on it, and then this tassel detailing on the sleeves. It looks so amazing. Love the sleeves. And it is like nice length. It's not a short dress. It comes with a slit at the back. Like you can see, they have a slit at the back. The length is pretty nice. It's not short. You can actually wear this for your office parties, or any official events and things. It looks very elegant. You're going to look like a style diva. So guys, as it's Christmas season, there has to be a red piece in it as well. Not all black, but I love black from Shein a lot. But yes guys, here we have a pretty red dress. If you can see, this is a lovely dress. It is nice and stretchable. Like you can see, the stretch is amazing. It has full sleeves, a nice V-neck. The neck is a little bit deep. You can just use a pin or a nice brooch to pin it up. And here what you can do is you can actually adjust this dress. Like you can see, you can make it shorter, or you can just leave it longer. It's completely on you. This dress looks very pretty. I love the way it fits. I love the way it clinches my body. I like flare dresses, and I like these as well. That nicely, it actually gives your body a nice shape. It shows the exact narrow portions of your body and the broad ones. So you guys, another red piece. So this time I have picked two red pieces, actually, rather than one. Okay guys, so this is a super cute Christmas sweatshirt, kind of a pullover thing. But this is not the woolen thing. It will keep you warm in the winters, but it is so amazing. If you are someone like me who is staying in some tropical place like Malaysia, I'm sorry about the disturbance. There's some construction work going on. So yes guys, this is how it looks. It has these reindeers on it. You can see they are nice and shimmery. So this is something perfect for Christmas. If you're looking for a nice Christmas t-shirt or something like you gift someone and all, this is something you need to look for. It is an oversized one and it looks so cute. So guys, here I have another quick pair of earrings. Let me just show it to you. These are another super elegant ones. Like you can see, they look like this. So they have this in, I guess, two colors. One is silver and one in gold. I went for a gold one because I already picked two silvers. So this looks so cute, so pretty, perfect for your parties and events. Even for your corporate looks, this goes very well. Just put up a high pony and then wear this with your blazer. It looks very nice. Okay, so as they say, save the best for the last. So this is the last piece, guys. I know this has gone way too lengthy, so I won't make it more lengthier. I'll just show you this piece. This is super amazing piece and I love this dress. This is not exactly from the curvy section. That is why this is a little tight. I need to get it altered. But as the measurements were mentioned, like they had mentioned XL and things, you can see how pretty this dress is. This has to be my favorite from the lot. It comes with this off-shoulder, nice puffy sleeves. The lantern sleeves, I guess, yeah. See, it's nice and stretched. The only part is the fabric isn't stretched. That is why it's a little tight. But overall, this dress is so beautiful, isn't it? I love this dress. It looks so nice. So guys, that is all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Use the coupon code mentioned on the screen so that you get additional 15% off, and all the links are mentioned in the description box below. So all you guys need to do is go check the description, whichever piece you like, just click on it, purchase that, use my coupon code and check out so that you get 15% off on whatever you like. So yes guys, that is all. I'll see you super duper soon in my next video. And if you have any video requests, any content requests, do DM me on my Instagram or let me know in the comment section below, and do check out my Instagram so that, because a lot is happening over my Instagram. I'm not posting too much on my YouTube nowadays, but yes guys, a lot is happening over my Instagram, so you guys can just have a peek there. So guys, have a lovely Christmas, Happy New Year, and have a wonderful time with your family. Stay home and stay safe. Bye bye guys, love you all.